Okay, so this is Nate, and I'm here getting started with step one of this big DIY project, renovating this old house to turn it into a cafe and rental space. So as you can see, I am geared up like a traditional Japanese gyosha, a worker. Got my do-rag thing going on here, my work pants, and I got steel-toe boots on. So what we're going to be doing today is tearing down this wall. Mr. Gorbachev, tear down this wall. Alright, so basically, I got like a 5 foot, almost a 6 foot tall, 2 meter wall made out of cinder blocks separating our house and the house next door that's going to be the cafe. So, don't really want this wall here because it, I don't know, just like is in the way and doesn't really, I don't know, go with the atmosphere. So I'm going to be taking it down. And just as a reference, I'm not going to take the whole thing down. I'm just going to go down from here to probably about here for now. So yeah, I'm gonna take it down to about here. And if I were to have a gyosha, have like, you know, a proper contractor do this, it would probably cost about $2,000 maybe. But since building stuff I'm not so good at, but breaking stuff, I'm actually a specialist at that. I think I can handle this on my own and save about $2,000. So today I have a couple friends going to be assisting me. I've got this chisel thing that's meant for breaking blocks, cinder blocks, bricks, stuff like that. And I have a hammer. And what I'm going to do is use this to chip away at the mortar between the blocks to loosen it up. And after that, I'm going to be using this big bad boy here, which is a demolition sledgehammer, 8 pound. It's called, in Japanese, the hakayo, which means the king of destruction. And I've used this before over here to bust up some steel reinforced concrete. It was buried in this garden here. I actually don't know what it was. It was like just this foundation of something, but wasn't connected to anything, and it was buried. So I busted all this up with the hakayo. He did me well there. So hopefully he's going to do me well again, taking care of this cinder block wall. Anyway, have a look and see how it goes. Okay, as you can see, the king of destruction served me well. That's a lot of work. It's a huge mess too, but I think it looks a lot better opened up. So I think I'm gonna have to bring it out maybe a little bit more, maybe to about here, 2 blocks more, and then maybe I'm trying to think if I'm going to leave that block here or bring that down to the ground level. I think I might leave it. But, yeah. It's a huge mess, but it's a start. See you next time.